Welcome back to another episode of the Unusual Ways changelog, where I'm going to go through a few things that we have added and which may help you in your workflow. We can first off start with the Super Dashboard or the Superflow. You may already be familiar with. You can create an unlimited amount of dashboards. You can arrange the windows. You can resize them how you want. You can add new windows and a lot more. But some users have said they have multiple dashboards and they quickly want to switch between them. So we have added a shortcut for that. Essentially, if you click on the question mark, you're going to see there now with clicking option and a number, you can jump to your dashboard. So option 1 jumps to your first dashboard, option 2 to your second dashboard. And then with Alt, you can do the same on Windows or Linux. I'm currently on Mac, so let me show you how it works. I've activated my key screener so you can see what I'm actually typing in the bottom left corner. So if I now hit option 2, I get to my second dashboard. I hit option 3, I go to my first dashboard. I hit option 1, I go back to my first one. Option 4, I jump to my fourth one. That's how I can jump between, or that's how you can jump between your dashboards that you have created, which may be cool if you have particular dashboards for your workflow. You quickly want to jump through them without having to use your mouse. You can just now use your keyboard. That's one of many more to come features where we are trying to make the workflow more easy for you by introducing some shortcuts so you can quickly do a lot more without having to use your mouse or keyboard or click a lot around. So we are trying to add more shortcuts. This is similar to, if you recall, when you now right click a contract, you can quickly add a note to your contract. This contract is now being saved to your watch list with that particular note. So we're trying to add a little bit more of this so your workflow gets a little bit easier. The next up we have on the flow, probably our most important view, we've added a new column. It's called the legs column. As a reminder, you can change the ordering of the column. So if I was say I don't like that the legs column is so far up there, I kind of want to have it after let's say after OTM, I can move it in here. Or if I say I want to have it very far up front, I can just put it here. So it's up to you where you like to have it. I personally like to have it after the trade, before the trade code, and that's where I put it now. So what does this column tell you? Basically, it's just a simpler view of the trade codes, and they just tell you if a trade was a single leg or a multi-leg with options, which is MLO, or if it was a multi-leg with stocks, like some stock trades attached to it, then it would be MLS. Let me look for one. See if we have one here. Here we have one. MLS. This column got newly added. It's the same as the icons. It's just some people prefer to have it written out. May read easier. You see, we have the classic multi-leg options trade, MLO. We have a multi-leg option stock trade with at least one stock leg, and we have the corresponding icon, and we have MLS. Just like the icons, these leg codes are clickable. So you can click on multi-leg stock trades, and it's going to pull you up this view, possible related codes, trades. Seems there was only one option trade, and the related stock trades seems to be this one. Someone bought or sold 100 meta shares. This could have been a covered call. Who knows? It could have been also something else. And for the multi-leg options trades, if we click on it, you see it's going to show us this view of all related trades for that particular options trade. So that's very helpful if you if only one leg hits your filters, you can just click on that code, quickly get the pop-up out and see all the other trades that may be associated with that particular transaction. And then last but not least, we have updated the chain OI page, which now features a small volume spark chart where we display the previous volume from the previous day as bars directly in the table. If you find a contract in the pre-market that you find interesting, you don't actually have to open now the pop-up to see How was the volume distributed? Was the volume generated over multiple 5-minute time frames or 10-minute time frames, or was it just in one single go? And that's what you can now see here with these volume bars right directly in the table. So hopefully that helps and makes things a little bit easier for you. And then we also added some Spark charts to the stock watch list. So if you go to the stock watch list, you can see now for each ticker that you have in your watch list, you will see the full day's price action of that ticker as a chart. So that may also be helpful for you. To finish up the changelog video, we've also updated the search a bit. It has been for long, but I don't think many users know about this. If you quickly want to see what is driving the market, you can just type market and you're going to get this view back of all of the important sector ETFs plus SPY. And you can see which one is right now performing well versus which one does not perform so well. So you can see like what is happening in the market pretty quickly. You can also do gainers to see the top stocks from today. You can do the same with losers. And some other stuff, like if you want to quickly see how are oil-related stocks doing, is another way of quickly pulling up the tickers and see how well they're or bad they're performing. I hope you like this quick overview of what has been added this week to Unusual Weights. If you have any feature suggestions or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.